Are you tired of the daily grind and dreaming of a life where passive income flows to you while you're sleeping? Waking up to those notifications on your phone telling you that you have earned all of this money while you've been sleeping? Well, in this video, we are going to talk about how to make passive income for your coaching or service-based business in 2025. And let me tell you, it is far more simple than you think it is. And make sure you stay till the end and so that you can get your hands on my free passive income guide. Now, we've all seen those influencers online where they talk about how they've made thousands of dollars while they're having their hair done, while they're having a coffee, while they're on the beach living their best life. And I know how frustrating it is to look at those influencers online on social media and think, why is it that they can do that and I can't? What is it that makes it possible for them to do it and me not? Now, the truth is that many people chase this dream of having passive income while you're just living your day-to-day life. But a lot of people really don't know where to start because there's so much noise out there that it's really difficult to understand exactly what it is that's working today that's going to help you start making that passive income. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, feeling like the whole world is your oyster, and you take a look at your phone and all of these notifications are popping up and you've seen that while you've been sleeping, you have made a lot of passive income. And these notifications are coming in from all of the payments that you've had while you've slept. Now, in order to get to that point, there are some obstacles that get in the way. The biggest one I would say is lack of knowledge, lack of knowing where to start, what to do, which coach to follow, which influencer to follow, which program to get that teaches you how to do it. And it can all just get a bit overwhelming. And so that's one of the biggest obstacles, is knowing where to start, feeling overwhelmed, and being able to take all of that information and know exactly what it is that you need to do step by step so that you can actually make this passive income dream a reality. The next biggest obstacle that gets in the way is time. Now, I don't know about you. When I first started out, I was working a full-time job and I was running my counselling practice because I was a counsellor first. I was running my counselling practice in the evenings and the weekends. So I was working a full-time job, and then evenings and weekends, I was seeing clients in my counselling practice. The problem is when we're working a day job and we're seeing one-to-one clients in our service, what happens is there's this glass ceiling that then we can't make any more money because we've run out of time. We simply can't fit in any more clients into the time that we have. And if you are at that point now and you're looking at ways to make passive income because actually you do want to quit your day job and you do want to be full-time in your business, then make sure that you keep following this channel because I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can make that happen. But getting back to that time constraint, how do we make it so that your income goes higher without having to squeeze in more one-to-one clients and so that you can actually quit the day job? Well, passive income is obviously the answer. Another thing that can get in people's way is this fear of making an investment. How much will things cost? If I'm doing passive income, then I need somewhere to put the thing that I'm selling, whether it be a course or a digital product or affiliate marketing. I need to put something somewhere in order for people to buy from me. And how much is this going to cost? And so a lot of people, they don't move forwards because they're scared of the cost. And let me tell you, it's actually really affordable. If you are working a job, even part-time, you can get lots of programs and tools out there that will make it easy so that you're not spending a fortune getting this going. Now, obviously, if you're working full-time or you're working the day job and you're also working in your service-based business, then actually there should be some extra income there that you can start spending in order to get some of these things in place so that you can start working on your passive income. If that's something that you're interested in me talking about more, then do comment below and let me know. Another big problem, and I would say this was definitely one of my issues, is certainly when I moved from counselling to coaching, and it was a little bit different. One of the things that I can say that I certainly had problems with, and lots of my past clients have had problems with, is consistency. So we do the thing, we get told what to do. In my case, I've had lots of coaches and mentors and invested in programs to make sure that my knowledge is up there. I know what I need to do. And there comes a point where you do it and you do it and you do it. And then this day and age, we expect everything to happen instantly. So when we don't start seeing results, then we start thinking, oh, what I'm doing isn't wrong. People don't want to buy from me. We start making up all of these things of what it means. And what happens is generally we stop being consistent. So what we've been doing consistently, it starts slowing down. Maybe you posted several times a week. Now you post once a week or once every other week, and you don't really show up and you don't really do the work and you don't really do all of these things. And so what happens is generally people give up right before the money starts coming in. People give up right before success hits. And so consistency is a huge problem across the board, regardless of what business you're in. Doing the thing until you see results. Actually, it's not even in business, it's in life. It's humans in general. We have a habit of giving up before we get the result that we want. And so staying consistent, if you can work your way in staying consistent, then you will definitely see those results happen. And the final problem I want to talk about that is a barrier to getting this passive income is that people don't have a clear plan. They're not exactly sure of the step-by-step, I need to do this in order to get the results that I want. And it sort of falls back in line with that number one problem that I discussed about that not really knowing what to do, feeling overwhelmed of all of the information out there and not really having that clear plan to follow. And so if you get a clear plan to follow and you follow it step by step, then you will get those results. So now we know what is a barrier to us making passive income. Let's look at the top 3 ways in 2025 that women just like you can make passive income in your service-based business. Now, when I say service-based, I mean coaching, therapy, anything that provides a service. So the first one is one that you would have heard about. It's affiliate marketing. So by signing up to other companies and making sales and getting people to buy and purchase those services, platforms, whatever it is through you, you will make a commission of it. And then that is a way to make passive income. It does take a little bit of work and you do need to build that up, and you're going to need to go with more than one company to make more than $1,000 a month. But you can sign up to plenty of companies and start promoting their services and products and actually start making money that way. So number 1 is affiliate marketing. Number 2, which is a really good one if you are a service-based business, is memberships. So you have people sign up to a membership with you, and they can either sign up for a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription, and then they sign up to whatever it is that you're offering. There's lots of courses out there where actually you don't get the course for a lifetime, you get a membership to it, and as soon as the person stops paying for the membership, they no longer have access to it. So there's lots of ways that a membership can bring in passive income, and it's a really good way because there's no cap on how many people can join your membership. There's no cap on the price of your membership. And so you can keep selling that membership and keep getting more people enrolled into it, which means that each month you get this predictable, sustainable income coming in. Number 3 of how to make passive income is my favorite, and it is making online courses and making digital products. By creating and selling courses, ebooks, even software, you're going to make passive income from people who want to buy it because they're interested in the subject that you're selling. Once you've created the digital product, you can sell it as many times as you want. You never need to do anything with it. It is that initial bit of effort to create the digital product, and then you can just sell it and repeat and repeat and repeat. And you never have to do anything with it again if you don't want to. As a 6-figure coach myself, this is something that I have actually implemented plenty of times. When I started out, I did one-to-one coaching. And then as that progressed, that turned into group coaching. So I had my higher level one-to-one clients, and then I was doing group coaching. And then after I'd been doing that for a while, I had all of this evidence, all of this proof, all of this information about what worked and what didn't. And I was able to take all of that information and turn it into a course. And so then I had this course, this program that people purchased, they bought, and from that, they also got group coaching. So they got group coaching once a week. And then after a year or two of doing that, I decided that I didn't want to continue with the group coaching. And so it just became a standalone program. And so people would come in, they'd buy the program, they'd get all of the step-by-step, all of the lessons, teaching them everything that they needed to do about how to get more clients for the business, how to make money in their business when they were beginners. And then from there, they also had all of these extra videos, giving all of this extra value from all of the coaching calls. So they had the value of receiving coaching, even though they weren't there live. Doing this was just how I started out, and it actually earned me over $10,000 each and every month. Now, that's far more than I was ever able to make in any sort of day job. From there, I got all of that experience. I'd created courses, and I went on to create more and more courses, more and more short programs, masterclasses, workshops that I then went on to sell, and then people purchased them, and I didn't have to do anything else other than create them, and people came and bought them. So there's certainly lots of ways that you can create passive income just using your knowledge and expertise and experience, especially if you are already working with one-to-one clients, and you can package all of that up into something that people will buy from you. I'm telling you this because it's a testament to the power of passive income. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with perseverance and the right knowledge and your step-by-step, you will get there and start getting results and start earning a passive income a lot quicker than I did, because I didn't know any of this information at the time. With the right mindset and the right tools, anyone can achieve financial independence through passive income. And if you keep watching my videos, I'm going to share all of the lessons that I've learned so that you can create the same results in a lot less time. Building passive income streams isn't as difficult as you may think, and by overcoming the obstacle, exploring various passive income options, and staying committed, you will also wake up to passive income notifications on your phone in 2025. Now, before I share my free passive income guide with you, make sure to comment below and let me know your thoughts on passive income, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. Now, finally, because you are committed and you have stayed to the end, I'm going to share with you my free passive income guide, and I'm going to let you know exactly how you can get your hands on it. Inside, it teaches you how to create a simple and sellable digital product, where to put it online, how to sell it, and how to start making passive income right away. All you need to do to get the guide is to just click the link below in the caption or comment passive guide, and I will send you the link. And if you want to learn more about how to make passive income in your coaching or service-based business, make sure to look out for the next video.